Hey, welcome back. I'm Becca, and if you're looking for a behind the scenes of how I run my small Etsy jewelry business, you're in the right place. Today, I will be showing step by step how I process and package my Etsy orders from home. I remember when I got my first Etsy order, I kind of freaked out because I realized I had no idea what I was doing. I had no idea how to print labels. I had no idea what to put information-wise on those labels. That's why today I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. I will be adding timestamps in the description below so you can switch around as you need. All right, let's dig in.
First, you will need your printer, a scale, your mailer or box, printer label paper, your product, and your packaging. Let's now open the computer and dig into the details. So the first step is to go onto your Etsy page, open up your Sell on Etsy page. Look to the left of the menu and click Orders and Shipping. Scroll down and you will see the orders you need to ship. Check the box to the left-hand side of the order. Scroll back up and click Get Shipping Labels. For the next part, make sure you know the size of your package and its weight. I use this simple scale to weigh my packages. I got it on Amazon and I'll leave the link down below. And I take measurements if it seems a little bit bigger or different than the last time. Once on the shipping label detail page, scroll and check the address entered. I want to see that it is USPS verified. I send most of my packages, at least the free shipping ones, through USPS. And if it isn't USPS verified, I always message the buyer before purchasing a label to make sure that their address is correct. This helps avoid extra label costs and lost packages. I've never had a customer annoyed by this. They actually always appreciate the extra effort. Now enter the weight of your package. Now you will select the package type. Mine are always package thick envelopes, but as you can see, there are many different options to choose from. Choose the one that fits your packaging best. Now you will enter the length, width, and height of your package. This is easy with boxes as most have all three dimensions on the box itself. However, with padded envelopes, you will have to measure and see how thick your mailer will be. This depends on what product you're putting in it. Next, you will choose your delivery service. I always choose USPS First Class, which is where I offer free shipping through. However, there are options that a customer can choose to pay for. Now that you have all your information entered, do one more look over and then click Review Your Purchase. When you are ready, click Purchase. I know it can be scary, but don't worry if you made a mistake and you didn't use that label, you can return it. It just takes a week or two to process the return. Now, let's get ready to print. I always print an order fulfillment sheet because that is how I keep track of what I need to do and what I have already done. This order is for a 16-inch gold cactus necklace on my We Stick Together backing card. It's not marked as a gift and has no messages included, so it's very simple. This is the fun part because you get to choose how you want your packaging to look and feel. I want each order to feel like a gift, so I take extra steps in making my packaging feel special. Then I go to print labels. If you are not sure what your label printer setting is at, go to the left menu panel again and scroll down to settings. A sub-menu will pop up and you will then click Shipping Settings. Now, the menu at the top right-hand side says Shipping Label Options. Click this and scroll down to the Download Preference. You will choose the label printing option that suits your needs. I print my labels on this 8.5 by 11 half-sheet adhesive shipping label paper. This will print 2 labels per sheet. I also got this on Amazon. You can print on regular computer paper and use shipping tape to attach it to your package. Now that this order is fully complete, I check mark my order slip and save it for my records. I take these directly to a blue mailbox.
Let me know below how your very first order went. I know it can seem really scary at first, but now it's just everyday life and you'll get the hang of it too. If you want to run an Etsy business, you can. Don't get discouraged and keep on going. Now, if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and put an envelope emoji down below and I'll know you stuck through it till the end. Or you can go ahead and like this video, which helps my channel out and helps my videos be seen by more people. If you guys are interested in checking out any of my Etsy shop or my Instagram, those links are in the description below. Go ahead and look around. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.